In this video tutorial, we shall see how to exchange a block of data bytes within the internal RAM. Let us look at the logic, right? So I have a source memory wherein I have initialized the data like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the destination, I have initialized the data as 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now what I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to exchange these bytes. It means after the execution of the program, right? So this 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 should come here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 should come here. What is the logic? The logic is the same. Initialize a source pointer to the starting address of both source as well as destination, right? A pointer to the source, a pointer to the destination. Now here we shall be using the exchange instruction. So the instruction we are using is XCH A comma any one of the pointers, right? So this is the format which is supported, right? So let us begin programming this. So first I shall initialize the block size, move R2 comma hash 5. Then I will initialize a pointer to the source, right? That is 30H. This is the source pointer. Then R1 comma hash 40H. This is the destination pointer, right? Now, as we have seen, for the exchange instruction, one of the operand should be in accumulator. Okay, so the destination is always the accumulator. So for that, I will bring one of the operand to accumulator. Then I shall do XCH A comma at the rate of R1. Okay, why did I do like this is because this format is not supported. If this would have been supported, this one instruction would have been enough to exchange the contents of the source and the destination. Because it is not supported, so I'm bringing one of the data into accumulator, that is the source data to the accumulator, and I'm exchanging with the destination. Now here, a very common mistake done by students is after this exchange, we have to write back whatever has been exchanged to R0. To R0 means to the memory where R0 is pointing. Here the exchange is happening between accumulator and the memory pointed by R1, right? So I should return back this to R0. Only then the exchange between the source memory and the destination memory will be completed. So this is a very common mistake I have seen. So you have to be careful, right? After that, increment the pointers, and you repeat this for whatever the count you have initialized. That's it, right? So let us check for the syntax errors. No errors. So the source is 30H. Initialize 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Destination is also internal memory. So we'll initialize with 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So when I have entered it as 10, it is showing it as A because the view is hexadecimal, right? So let me execute. Now see here what I was telling. So now I'm copying this 1 into accumulator, right? Now when I do this exchange, right? So what has happened? The exchange is happening between accumulator and the memory pointed by R1, right? And Currently R1 is pointing to 40H, which contains 6 now. So what will happen now? Whatever is in accumulator, that will come into this memory. So here you will see 01, and in accumulator you will see 06, right? So but this 06 should come at the source memory. So that's what this instruction does. So you're copying back to this. So you can see the data has been exchanged. So this you can repeat for n number of times, right? So you can see the data has been exchanged successfully. Fine. Thank you.